Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sue and I'm glad to have you here. I received my second monthly Palettful pack kit and I wanted to share it with you. I love the first one and I'm excited. I did look in this one, but I want to share it with all of you, so I left everything in here. And I did sign up for 3 months, and I'm very glad that I did. And let me share with you what I have here. I wish we had something to do with all this kind of stuff. I'm sure there is, like maybe using it as like a texture on a canvas or something would be good. All right, like add it with like some paste or something. Okay, so here we go. So this is for the month of June. They ship it out like right at the beginning of the month, and I'm telling you, I think it gets here like the next day. But I got this on actually I got this past Sunday. It was delivered on a Sunday. So I have in here a General's charcoal white charcoal pen. I love charcoal. I do have a white one. I don't know if that's focusing, but I do like this one for sure. And then I have 3 of the Stabilo Carb Othello, and these are the chalk pastel pencils. Is that focusing? I mean, that is so not focused. Woo! Let's see if we can get it focused. Oh, that's like really bad. Let me just put my hand there. See if I can get it to focus. Okay, let me move everything and let's see if it works now. No, it's not liking that. Isn't that interesting? Well, anyways, so I have the purple, the yellow, and the green, and I can see actually just go and putting these in my traveler's notebook kit. I like those colors a lot. They do send a card that explains everything that you get in the kit. See, now that focuses just fine. Interesting. So they do that so that you know exactly what you have. I have a white Uniball pen. I have one of these. I keep it in my traveler's notebook kit, but I'm going to keep this one here right on my work area. And I have 2 Faber-Castell Pitt pens. They are both 1.5, and they are, this one is a blue metallic. It's a pretty blue metallic, and this is silver. I don't think I have these. I know I don't have these. So this will be a good addition. These Pitt pens will be a really nice addition to my collection of Pitt pens. I don't think I have any metallics in those. Oh, and colored. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Colored pencils, metallic. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to open this so we can look in it together. There's 12 colors, and it's made by Pentalic. Pentalic. Say Pentalic. Not heard of them before, but that's okay. I love the case, and look at how beautiful they are. Wow, these are they're not round. They have like a, I want to say like beveled edges. Very pretty. Look at the color. So very pastel. Very gorgeous. So I look forward to using those. And then, oh my gosh, a journal. Oh, you guys know how I feel about journals. I love them. I could have, 200 journals and I would still want more. So this is beautiful. This is made by, Who's this made by? Oh, it's also Pentalic. Pentalic. See it? Pentalic. It's a black paper pocket journal, 8x6. Oh, and I love working on black paper. One of my favorite things to do. And this is amazing. And that's why they sent all of the metallics, because the metallics are going to look amazing. And the white charcoal and these carb Othellos, that's why, right? And the white Signo, that's why they sent all of these in the metallic and the colors that they did, because on the black it's going to look amazing. So that is the June kit from Palettful Packs, and I can highly recommend it. I can. The first time you order, they have this like 10% off, and I don't know, I think it's worth it. It's fun to get this in the mail. And I can't wait to dive into this journal. Oh my gosh, what am I going to use it for? Now I have to think of something, special to use it for. I'll have to think about that. Okay, well, let me know if you have any questions. And thank you so much for being here. Bye-bye.